Hi, looking dirty shit, the big fat flubber on. Okay, this video, not about my cat. Not about my cat. Although he is fascinating. Usually when you poke him, he goes. See if it works. See? He just strike with it. See? See? Isn't that? Shut up. Okay. This video is about an epic fail. Epic fail that I found. Well, this is my school calendar. And here's an epic fail right here. See, right there. Oh, you can't even see it. It's horrible. Well, right there it says principal. Dulcetti. That's our principal. Vice principal. Di Rosario. Now, Di Rosario, he left this school like 4 months ago, and I just found on the calendar it says Di Rosario. He left our school to go be a vice principal to be at Boarding. Traitor. So right there where it says vice principal, it's supposed to say Miss Lucio, because that's our new vice principal. But no, vice principal, Mr. Di Rosario. To me and the classmates at my school, that's an epic fail. Now, might as well just do the rest of my videos of stalking my cat. Stupid cat, he doesn't even have any claws and he's scratching the pole. Okay, now let's see. I will show you how much he loves these things called petitions. Oh. See, look, he's already trying to come through. It's just too bad. Watch Stalker Cat. Oh, I just bumped into something. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Oh, he's going for a stretch. And here he comes. Oh, you're going in here. Come here, fat sack of shit. He's coming. What does this dog want? Just kidding, it's cat, So watch, she's gonna follow me. Get out of here! I do not accept this. I keep on bumping into that. You know what, just try to piss me off, so I'm just gonna give you some temptations. Temptations. My cat's best. You're rubbing on my leg! Here. Get them yourself. No, I'm just kidding. You only got one because I gave you like 50. Put the camera down. Here you go, little fat piece of crap. Don't rub on the camera, please. Oh, okay, this is what they look like. They look like Captain Crunch cereal, because they're brown. I don't know. Well, that's not gonna happen. Okay, I'll be nice and I'll give you fucking 4. Make my cat. Oh, cocksucker. Let's look at this cat eat. Oh, that's too close. You already ate the most. Yeah, I'll give you one. You just gobbled this thing. What a fat cat. Let me show you how fat he is. Yeah, look. Oh, look at that. See that egg sack? Look at. Hi! That's so fatty, is he is fat dangling. Okay, there's that cat, there's a cat, there's a cat, there's a cat. Fucking stalker, just so scary. Now, I'm gonna put them right here, his cat bed or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put the trees right here, and then the pig is gonna go and grab them, and I'm gone. Okay, let's just here's the tour of my house. The walls are the bathroom. Is there anything in the toilet? Toilet's clean. Computer room. Oh, there's that Pearl computer. I'm on YouTube. Let's look at my account quick. Thanks, Grandma OMG. Mother! Lol. Check who's on. I am a friend! Pig. There's temptation. Tempting.